Hello, yamo bibi akwa baba and so addition so. And yebishia about C++, the basics. So here you can share about programming now. It is a programming no. It is a language. There are 3 types of programming languages. That's the high level. We have the assembly language and we have the machine language. Into a very high level language now. You say another English light type no. That one no ubet me I akodi to say normal English no. Into your programming so you various steps you follow you acquire you do so and sign it me create programmer come upon. See, there are 5 steps via a programmer be follow. First one, and I say we design program no. We design program we are no what your code which is writing of the code. We are correct syntax error. We are testing the executable code now I testing now is a code no working. Now last one you have to debug the code. We debug the code now ye if any other stuffs adibia a hard dream code now with me frame. Until yes during our previous lesson say designing a program no. You need to write an algorithm. Algorithm steps and now acquire you follow. Now you solve a certain situation. Into any year call how to write the code. Into ansana obet me actual code no. You need the editor. Into sanya yaka say C++ a language no. It needs a place the language would be spoken. Here be a beka sakasan. Maybe example ye chia kasa ba ye wo baby miaya ye katwi kasan. If say oba asante mema ye katwi kasan. Oko Accra ye katwi kasan. Sanso na application languages nenso tie. Language ba ye wo biaya ye tro sa language no. Into C++ baby ana applications ana environment you bit me actual sarcasm it be a dev C++ and it be code blocks send here NetBeans any other languages so a word different environment you trust sarcasm. Madam I say let me share with you.